it's gonna blow up or not.
You're gonna die. No, it's too late now. Give me the Lammy, you fool.
Stole my kill. You get no Lammy.
Give me the Lammy.
Yeah, take the sweaty Lammy I was wearing. Have fun with that.
Thanks, 25k. Haha, right.
Yeah, it's still it's text now. You're gonna die wearing it. I show you.
All right.
I show you. Now he's talking to them like they're Korean.
I show you. I show you. Anybody have a lot of...
Bless you.
Was that like an AutoTune sneeze? Just...
Dude, it sounded like one, didn't it, dude?
It sounded like an AutoTune sneeze.
Oh.
Tell me somebody was recording that.
Dude, that was perfect, dude.
Get in.
Oh shit. It's lit.
Where you
got
guys?
safe zones.
Let's go kill people.
Me